Welcome to your virtual classroom. I am Mr. Matuka. This is Multimedia, and today we're going to be talking HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to create a web page. It's just that easy. It's only going to take us 5 minutes. While we're creating this web page, it's my hope that you understand some of the foundational aspects of the internet and that you get an understanding that you could create web pages quite easily. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing I want to do is open up a browser. So here's my Google Chrome icon. Let's double click on that. Google Chrome. So I'm going to open a blank window, blank tab. These are our tabs at the top. Those are titles. Notice the words on our tabs. I want you to notice those words because we're going to put some words there. Of course, let's go to Schoology. Get to Schoology, we're going to log in. So let's log in real quick. Once we're logged in, we're then going to join our course. And within our course, we should be able to create our first web page. So our course is multimedia. I got a ton of courses. So of course, it's going to have to find the right course. Unfortunately, my internet has been acting pretty horribly the last couple of days. And hopefully it'll pick up a little bit because it is definitely moving slow. Check to see if I'm still connected. It says I'm connected, but not seeing anything. There it is. Okay. Took a long time. So we're going to go to our multimedia. Once in multimedia, remember guys, we're always in our virtual lesson plans. And in our virtual lesson plans, this is week 4. So we're going to go to week 4. This is our engagement assignment. So let's go to engagement. In engagement, you're going to see where it says watch this first. Of course, that's just that's the video that you're watching right now. So I guess you can't watch this first. Here's the basic website. If you click here, you'll get the instructions for creating your web page, or better yet, the hypertext markup language. That's what we're going to type, but we need a place to type it. So we're going to go back to our materials. We're going to go back to virtual lesson. We're going to go to our virtual lesson plan. And I've sent a link to you in your addendum resources. And it's in these resources that you're going to find a link to the online text editor. This is our simple text editor. This is where you're going to be able to create your web page. This is where you type all of your code so that you can create an HTML document. So there it is. So now that we have our document, I'm going to take its window. I pulled down, I clicked, drag, pulled it down. Now I can move it over, reshape it so that it's its own window. I'm going to use this to type in my code. I'm going to go back to my addendum resources. I'm going to hit the back arrow so that I can see all my different files. Now that I can see all my files, I'm going to go to my engagement because that's what we're doing. We're doing the engagement. And I'm going to look at our basic website, PowerPoint. And this is the code that I'm going to type in the text editor to create our first web page. They only give me 5 minutes per video, so we're going to call this part 1. Part 1 was the setup. And now that we have everything set up, I'm going to stop the video, come back. I'm going to type this code here, this code, and I'm going to put it in this editor, and we're going to create a web page. Okay, see you soon.